Hello everybody, this is Vieira from Vieira Coins. Today we're gonna talk about silver equals versus silver ounce. Which one should I invest? Uh, the purity of both silver equals or silver ounce is a fine silver, which means 999 silver. So it's a pure silver, and both weighing 1 troy ounce of silver or equal to 21.1 grams. Okay, as a metal content, they have exactly the same weight and exactly the same purity. Silver equals is America bullion. Okay, that's the difference between bullion and the silver rounds. Silver equals a bullion, which means it's struck by a government. Okay, they have a mintage on it, can be America mint, can be every different government mint around the world. In this case, a silver eagle they strike in United States on US mint and have a mintage. Okay, meaning all the silver eagles they started in 1986 until the present, which is year 2021. They gonna change the design. They have a mintage and they are in here on the red book. Okay, United States red book, and you can see the information of the silver eagle in here. Okay, everywhere from the beginning until now, you can see the mintage, how many they make a year, how many they strike, and the price and the grading, etc. Okay, so in this case, silver eagles skylark invest is large numismatic coins. Okay, and silver rounds in another case, silver rounds they are in this case, silver rounds they are private company. Okay, private company can be from private refinery. Okay, they do any design if you like, and there's no mintage involved. Okay, private company means as they selling, they continue making. Okay, there's no mintage, so basically on that, nobody knows exactly how much they make, and it's not there's no numismatic value. It's more only for investment value. Okay, there's no strike by any government, and that's the nickname silver rounds. So which one should I invest? There's two different ways to invest, or silver equals or silver rounds. Okay, silver equals in this case, if you know about coins, if you have some basic information about coins, and if you wanna invest long term, but you decide you are gonna be the one you gonna sell this coin at the time you decide to sell it. If you have some information, and if you decide gonna sell this coin at the time, is way to go, because silver eagle they always have a premium over the spot price. It's about $6 premium. And in another case, silver ounce. If you buy coins, if you invest in silver, and if you're not sure you're the one is gonna sell this coin, or if you don't have much information about coins, or in my case, I stash some silver thinking the future of my child. I know about coins, but it's not a means they will know. So I prefer to hold a silver ounce, which means 20 years from now, 30 years from now, 10 years from now, when they decide to sell it, if they sell it for spot price, they're still gonna make money, because right now I'm buying as close as spot, which means it's less premium. Okay, the premium between silver rounds and the silver eagle at the moment, because we have a shortage of precious metals in United States and around the world because of the coronavirus. And silver eagle is about $6 premium over spot, which means you can see the spot price and add $6 on the top for each 1 troy ounce. And the silver ounce is about $3 over spot, which means it's 50% discount as a premium over silver eagle. Okay, it's a quick math. Let's say, oh, it's only $3, but I got the best coins silver eagles. Yes, but if you try to take to know about coins, if they decide to sell, or if you decide to sell for a coin shop or bullion dealers, and if you not have a relationship with them, they might pay you not premium or little premium. Okay, so it's really important to know where you get the coins from and where you can sell in the future. Okay, because unfortunately a lot of people take opportunity when they realize the seller have a not experience. Okay, it's not the way working here, but unfortunately happening a lot. Okay, let's make a quick math. If you have right now as spot price around $25, if you add $6 for premium on silver eagle, each ounce is gonna be about $31. Okay, so let's talk about you wanna buy 100 ounces, or you can buy ounces by ounce until you make 100 ounces. So you'll be about at the moment $3,100 for 100 ounces. 31 plus 100, 3,100. Okay, $3,100. On the other hand, silver ounce, which is a private company, you cannot take a spot price, never change. Okay, spot price is $25. You add $3 as a premium. So you each one silver ounce will gonna cost $28. You multiply by 100, it's gonna be 2,800. So here's the difference. Each one ounce of silver, you save $3 if you buy silver ounce. Okay, a long run, each 100 ounces of silver, you can save you can save $300. Okay, so 100 ounces of silver equals is about $2,100, and 100 ounces of silver ounce is about $2,800. So you subtract 21 minus 31 minus 28 is gonna be $300. Those $300 is equal to 10.7 troy ounces of silver. That's the difference of premium. Each 100 ounces of silver equals, if you compare to silver ounce, if you buy silver ounce, if you invest in silver ounce, you can add on stash 10.7 ounces. So it's a half a roll. Because if you consider each roll is 20 coins, it's a lot of silver you can add. You can increase your silver stack as silver. Okay, so it's really important to know the math. If you know about coins, and if you try of who you can leave the coin on the future, if they know about coin, silver is way to go, because as the year goes, the older states is going to worth more money, especially right now they can change the design. But if you don't know that much about coins, and if you think the person you can give to them, they don't know that much, silver ounce is way to go, because each 100 ounces of silver, you can add as a premium, you can add extra almost 11 ounces of silver ounce. Okay, if you go a long run, you increase your silver content or you save money at the same time. Okay, because if you go by the weight, silver ounce is way to go. Okay, I hope you guys get any information. Not financial advice, just make the best decision for you based in numbers. Okay, numbers are really important, and based in knowledge. Okay, if you have enough knowledge to go to silver eagles, go to silver eagle. If you don't know that much, if you don't have a time to learn, go to silver ounce. Okay, neither way, both is a 1 troy ounce of pure silver. It's the same weight, the same metal content. So I hope you make the best decision for your future investment. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I see you next time.